Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom presets on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first, you can do it from your GoPro, so you can swipe to the right here, manage modes, and you can click on the plus button. Here you can create your own preset with your own icon, name. So here I'll give it bite. Now you can choose the video, slow-mo photo, or night effects. I'm going to choose night effects and star trails. You can change the aspect ratio and resolution. Also, after changing it, you have the capture, so zoom, timer, trail length, and duration. Also the image, so bit depth, bit rate, shutter, ISO, denoise, and also you can enable the dashboard. So as you guys can see, now our mode is created. We got it, and you can also go over and do that in the app. So click on this icon right here, click on create mode, and you can choose the same things. So now I'll choose video and standard. We're gonna click next and choose an icon. Now I'm gonna choose the first one, click next, and we're gonna give it a name, so it'll be hard reset. We're gonna save it, and as you guys can see, the mode has been created. Here we can adjust it, so we can change the resolution to 8K, frame rate to as you guys can see, it won't be 480, it has to be 60 FPS and 4K. Now the subject tracking, you can enable it, and also you can change your image tuning, digital lens, HyperSmooth, bit depth, you can change it to 10-bit, and you got your own preset ready. You can see that it says hard reset here, it all works, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.